Hey guys, I want to show you how to use this app called ChangeNow, and to do so you can download it from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It'll work pretty much the same. When you open the app, on the bottom left here there's a exchange button. You want to press that. Make sure you're not on buy and sell because that's for fiat, and this is if you already have crypto that you want to convert into BNB to get started with CAT. And to do so, all you do is enter in the amount and you select the crypto that you want to convert on top. I have 15 bucks that I'm going to be sending over, but just to account for the fees, I'm only going to do $14.50. And then on the bottom, you want to select BNB on the BSC network. All right. And then you're going to hit enter address. And then here, this is where you're going to add your BNB address that you're going to receive your funds to. For me, I have it right here. You can see it's the second row for me. I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to hit the receive button, and then you're just going to copy that wallet address. You'll go back over here, paste that wallet address. Then you're going to press start exchange. All right, then you're going to just send your BUSD or whatever crypto it is that you want to send over. Go back to my Trust wallet here. You can see here I have 15. I'm going to press it, send. We're going to paste it. And we want to send $14.50. Next. You can see we're sending $14.50 and then there's an 11-cent fee. We're going to confirm. All right, and then that transfer is going to be initiated. You can see it's already been sent over at the top there on my screen. And then this process can take anywhere from a minute to 15 minutes, just depending on how backed up the network is. Usually if you're using Bitcoin, it takes a little bit longer, but we'll see exactly how long this takes. All right, so it's literally only been 1 minute. It is 12:42, and we start that process at 12:41. And you can see that it's already been received and it's exchanging right now. Currently it's in step 2, and then the last step will be for it to just get fully exchanged and sent to my wallet. So overall it's been pretty quick, just a couple minutes here. We'll see how long it takes to get to that final step. We should be in step 3 already. I just got the notification the exchange succeeded. Your coins will be sent to you shortly. And if we go over to my wallet, you can see that the smart chain now reflects 1667 and the BUSD reflects 50 cents. So the exchange was successful. And that's as easy as that. And you can do that with any other crypto that's available on ChangeNow to do the conversion.